Welcome designers. In this video, I'm going to show you how I did the name, this one right here. First, I went to the A here and I wrote the name down. Abigail. Let's go closer. Okay, here it is. I select it again. I go to the other A and I'll convert it to another font. You see it's loose between them. I will weld them together. And now I have the two dots loose. I'll keep all selected and then I will make it compound. Okay, now I have one whole piece. Let me fill it in really quick with pink. I will go over here to the third button here and I will choose the second one, the gradient, the fill gradient. Okay, now I'm in here. I will choose any one of them. When I select this one, it will come like this. Okay, and if I want to change it, I can come in advanced options, and then I call these poles. I can delete some poles from here. You see, when I delete the black left is gone. I will delete this one too. I think I'll delete the white and this one. Okay. I want this color to be gone, the black. I'll make it white. Okay, I'll make it white. Okay, now I have the color in this way, like straight to the right, but I don't want them like that. I want the white to be on top and then the pink and the black. So I'll go down here to the angle and I'll increase the angle, and you see the black is coming on top. No, the black should be on the bottom. So I will go down. Okay, that means I need to have more pink. Double click and get one more and bring it closer. Bring this one closer, not so far, but closer. I think I need to take this one out. Let's go closer. Let me put it back. Put it back. One of these need to leave. This black, I'll make it pink. And I'll delete this one. I'll keep it like this then. Let me see, I'll delete this one. Ooh, let me put it back. Okay. A little bit more of you. Okay. So this is how I do it. I will select it and then take the stroke out. Now I will go and add some offset around it. Offset, and I'll make it smaller. Here you can do the distance between the offset and the actual work. I'll apply it, and when I make it black, you see that's how I got it. I'll select everything and I'll take the stroke out, and you see I have it right here. Let me make it bigger, and that's how you get it. Thank you for watching.